Okay, Charlie, we're done with our lesson for today. Thank you for having your lesson with me. As always, you did a great job. I want you to continue to practice. So thank you and see you again next time. Bye-bye. Great job today, Charlie. You were awesome. Give me a high 10. High 10. Did you have fun today? Yes, I had fun too. Don't forget to add teacher in your favorites, okay? Yeah, so we can have more fun in our lessons together, okay? So I'll see you again in our next lesson. Practice saying guitar. Okay, remember? Guitar. Okay, you can do it, Charlie. All right, this is your teacher, Angela. Teacher Angel Angela saying bye bye. See you next time. Bye, Charlie. Thank you. Bye bye.